Go.
Today we're at Casa Montez and Brent Campbell's attempting to take a few bites of the Sizzler, which is a meal at Casa Montez that requires you to sign a release form in order to eat it. Brent's now going for his fourth bite. Currently his throat's on fire and causing moisture to exude from every pore in his face. Let's see how he does on his next bite. Brent goes in for the gulp, the big bite, taking it in. That's a big bite, ladies and gentlemen. It may seem small to you, but that's ferocious. Brent's got to be careful not to get it on his hands, because otherwise when he blows his nose, it goes into his olfactory nerve and that's burning.
It was
Alright. I got notice the shaking of the hands begins to come into play.
Got a lot of seeds. I think I'm alright though.
Are you finally getting used to the taste, or to the burning sensation, Brent?
Yeah. It's become normal.
It's become normal. How's the face feel?
Yeah. My tongue burning, and I feel the sweat coming.
The sweat's coming.
The tears aren't coming, but the sweat is coming. And the throat goes down. Throat. Maybe the tears are coming. It's really hot. They have habanero in that.
Yes, they do. Very hot.
The breathing is horrible. There's a lot more than I did before. Jessica, you're evil. Can you see the tears?
I can see the heat. I can see it in your cheeks.
You are sweating.
He's really self-emotional.
More? I'm good. Eat the sour cream.
How you feeling? Oh, he's crying.
It's the first time. This is his fifth bite. The service is that impacting that it just brings tear to your eyes.
Yeah,
Think about
beautiful. I better not do that.
No, that would cause extreme pain.
Yeah, eating a lot of it is a lot worse than little bites. And I am crying. I am crying. My lips are starting to burn.
Do you feel it like in your nose?
Yeah.
It's trying not to laugh.